If you're struggling to create realistic AI voiceovers, or you're tired of hitting limits on ElevenLabs, this free new tool changes everything. I found a free voiceover tool that lets you generate realistic voices without any limits. You don't have to pay monthly, you don't need any hacks, you can use it again and again. The voice it creates sounds like a real human being. It can laugh, cough, whisper, even act like it's in a movie. It can even play different characters in one story. It's just amazing. And by the way, the voice you're hearing right now? Yeah, it was made with that same AI tool. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know this isn't my real voice. But it sounds good, right? That's how powerful this tool is. So whether you make faceless videos, bedtime stories, character dialogues, podcasts, or just want your scripts to sound like actual humans with real emotions, this is the future. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step, in this video.
Okay guys, so we are back to my real voice. So that voice you listened to was generated by Google AI Studio. So Google released their own voice generator tool and it's been mind-blowing. So let's quickly go in and see how to use this AI tool to generate amazing voice just like the one you heard. So just head over to your browser, and on your browser just search for Google AI Studio just like this. So once you search it, it's going to show you this first one, Google AI Studio. Now ensure that on your browser you're already logged in through your Gmail account, so it's just log you directly to the Google AI Studio. Just click on it. So once you come into Google AI Studio, it's going to show you a whole lot of features, and that is because Google AI Studio is an all-in-one system that contains a whole lot of AI tools. But today the one we'll be exploring is just the voice generation. So right here, all you just need to do right now is to click on this point that says native speech generation. So once you click that, as you can see, it has brought you to the area where you begin to create your speech. So right now, let's look at the right settings you need to do to be able to generate the kind of voice you want to generate. So head over to this point that says settings right here, and the first thing you need to do is to ensure you are using this one that says Gemini 2.5 Pro. This one is the one that gives you good voices. Then right here, you choose the mode of the voice that you want. Do you want to do a multi-speaker or a single speaker? So multi-speaker is if you are doing something like a dialogue within a story, or you are hosting a podcast, you can use multi-speaker. You can see that's what we have right here, speaker 1, speaker 2. But right now, let's test with the single speaker. I will head over to testing multi-speaker and see how the both of them work. So click on single speaker, and as you can see, the interface is here, so you can start pasting your text. But right now, also at this point that says model settings, look at the temperature. Now this is how you can be creative with how your voice is going to sound. But I can tell you that the normal temperature is okay. So all you just have to do now is to select the voice that you want to use for your creation. So just click on this one that says voice, and you can preview all the voices that are right here on the Google AI Studio. There are a lot of voice right here, and I bet you that these voices sound amazing. So they have female voice and they have male voices. Just choose anyone right here. As for me, let me choose this one that says Horus. So as you can see, I'm done with that aspect. All I just need to do right now is to paste my text. So you can just paste any text you have right here, either the one you have written by yourself or the one you generate with ChatGPT or any of your AI writing tools. So I'll just paste one right here. So as you can see right here, I've pasted this text right here, which I just quickly generated from ChatGPT. And then all you just need to do is to click on this point that says run. Just run the prompt and allow it to create your voice for you. It might take a little bit of time, but just allow it for some minutes. Okay, so the voice has been generated, so let's preview it and see how it sounds.
Hi, I'm Christian. Thanks for stopping by. This channel is all about making things easier, better, and more fun for creators like you.
Amazing, guys. So as you can see, this sounds really nice, and the way it's reading is reading just like a real human will read something. And you can always use this point that says style instruction. You can give it the instruction on how you want it to read your text. Whether it's in a friendly mode or in a harsh mode, a sober mode or a happy mode, it depends on how you want it to sound. But I just use the natural one right here, and as you can see, it sounds so amazing. So right now, let's explore this tool much better, and let me show you why I say this tool is much more better than ElevenLabs currently. So right now, we are going to compare a text that will be generated into an audio from ElevenLabs and also test it right here on Google AI Studio and see the comparison of which one gives us a much more better output. So I'm right here inside a popular ElevenLabs voice generator, and right here I'm going to paste a text right here and generate it. So one thing we know is that ElevenLabs is good, but it has some limitation on how it gives you your output, and also the limit on the amount of audios you can create within a month for free. So as you can see right now, I've pasted my text right here in ElevenLabs. So what I want to experience from this text is this point that the person narrating this stuff coughs, which is the person chuckles. So let's see if ElevenLabs is able to capture this cough right here. So I just click on generate.
I was just trying to take a quick sip of water, and it went straight down the wrong pipe. Coughs. I couldn't stop coughing. Eyes watering, face red. Everyone turned to look like I was about to pass out.
Okay guys, can you see that? It's red and got to the point where it's supposed to cough and it just said coughs. So this is the issue that we have most times with ElevenLabs, where you are trying to impute an emotional feel in your audio, but it's just too plain. And that is where most times AI like this do have flaws. But right now, let's test it on Google AI Studio and see the output we are going to get. So the same text, I'll just copy it and let's paste on the Google AI Studio. So right now, I've pasted the same text right here on Google AI Studio. So I'm going to click on run this prompt and let's see the output it gives to us. Remember, what we are trying to detect is the coughing of this person on this audio. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's done generating. So let's play it and listen to how it sounds.
I was just trying to take a quick sip of water, and it went straight down the wrong pipe. I couldn't stop coughing. Eyes watering, face red. Everyone turned to look like I was about to pass out.
Amazing guys, can you see that it captured that emotional aspect of coughing, which ElevenLabs could not detect? So this is what makes Google AI Studio much more better than ElevenLabs currently. So let's continue exploring this tool and see how amazing it is. So right now, let's test the multi-language feature where this tool can easily speak in any language. So I'll be testing my local dialect, which is Pidgin in Nigeria. So but before we use the Google AI Studio to test out our Nigerian Pidgin scripts, let's first of all compare it with ElevenLabs and see which one does better. So right here in ElevenLabs, I'll just paste my Nigerian Pidgin script right here, as you can see, and I'll just use the same voice that we used and I'll just click on generate. So if you can see right here, we have detected unsupported language. You may experience bad results. Even from their notification right here, they're already telling you that this might not sound well. So let's listen to it and see how it sounds.
My guy, make I tell you what happened yesterday. I go market say make I buy small meat for soup. Now so I reach there I shock. Meat way I day buy for 1.5 before done turn 3.5. I just stand they look like moo. Everything from market done cost die. Even tomato be like gold now oh.
Okay guys, as you can see, this sounds so funny. If you're a Nigerian, I believe you will not even understand what this was saying. And that is because it is hard for ElevenLabs to easily adapt to other languages. But right now, let's test it on Google AI Studio and see the output that we get. So right here on Google AI Studio, just paste your script, the exact script, and then choose the voice you want. As for me, I'll still use the same voice, which is this Oru's voice, and I'll just click on run and wait for it to generate the voice. Okay guys, so the voice has been generated, so let's play it and listen to how it sounds.
My guy, make I tell you wetin happen yesterday. I go market say make I buy small meat for soup. That's why I reach there, I shock. Meat where I dey buy for 1.5 before don't turn 3.5. I just stand dey look like mumu. Everything for market don't cost die. Even tomato be like gold now.
Okay guys, as you can see, this sounds so real, as if it's a Nigerian that is speaking this particular language, and it's by far better than what we listen from ElevenLabs. So as you can see, it's easy for it to easily switch to other dialect and other languages. So let's test out the last feature for this particular video, which is the multi-speaker feature, whereby you can use two people in a single dialogue and it's going to give you something amazing. So let's test it out. I just click on this point that says multi-speaker. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, this is a sample of a multi-speaker audio. We have the first speaker, I'll have the second speaker, and this is just like Google giving you an example of how you can do it. So you can either use this option right here, or you just use this option. And right now you can easily change to any voice for your speakers. So right here on the settings area, as you can see, you can change the voice you want for your speakers. So for this first speaker, let me just use the voice I've been using, which is a male voice. Then on this second speaker, I will just use a female voice.
Ready to make something amazing?
So I will use this particular voice, and then now I'll give it what I want it to say. So I'll just paste in each dialogue for each speaker, and you can continue to increase the dialogue as well. So as you can see, I've pasted the dialogue for my speakers right here, the first speaker and the second speaker, and I can just click on run prompt. If I want to add more dialogue, what I just need to do is to click on add and continue to build up the dialogue between these two speakers. So right now I just click on run for the sake of this video. Okay guys, so my two speaker dialogue audio is ready. Let me just play it so you get to listen to it.
Gloria, do you ever feel like people love the videos but still forget to subscribe?
All the time, Christian. That's why we're reminding them now. If you're watching this, just hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out.
Okay guys, this is so amazing. So you can build up probably a movie scene, a podcast, or anything that is relative to having two people in your audio. You can use this to build it up, and this is one thing that ElevenLabs lack currently. Okay guys, that's it for today. So if this video helped you, please click on the like button, and if you want more simple tutorials just like this, ensure you subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment on this video about what you find amazing about this Google AI Studio voice generator, and I'll be right there in the comment section to reply to all of your comments. So right here is another video that YouTube wants you to watch on my channel. I will see you in that video.